Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about Panchayati Raj system in India. Full details about this topic. Our today's question is: don't read success stories. You will only get a message. Read failure stories. You will get some ideas to get success. Said by APJ Abdul Kalam. He is a scientist, a motivator, and a great leader of India, and one of my favorite. Our one-liner questions are: according to WHO, how many Indian populations live rural area? Panchayati Raj system introduced in 1992 by which amendment? Sustainable Development Goal 1 and 2. India have how many GI tags? According to new education policy, which is also added in midday meal and full form of NRLM scheme. Let me give you a hint. R stands for rural. Rest you have to tell me. Today's question is: the voice of the people is the voice of the God. The voice of Panchayat is the voice of the people. This statement said by Mahatma Gandhi. We have to analyze this statement. Our introduction would be: according to National Statistics Office and World Bank, 65.53% of Indian population lives in rural area, as said by Mahatma Gandhi that the soul of our country lives in villages. To recognize and provide them platform to raise their voice and resolve their issues, the Panchayati Raj system introduced by 73rd Amendment in 1992. You can also add 24 April is celebrated as National Panchayati Raj Day. The voice of the Panchayat is the voice of the people because we have to give reason about it, and you can also say these are importance of it. It helps to reach local level issues at central level, provide representation to grassroots level, and help in women empowerment through one-third reservation and them with the mainstream, decentralization of powers, how to make it helps to make prosperous nation through Manrega infrastructure development, canal for irrigation, construction and other schemes easily implemented like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Then also support vocal for local and Atmanirbhar Bharat for small enterprises and agriculture entrepreneurs. Local art and talent came in limelight. Also provide training and employment to reduce migration from villages for livelihood. Increase local participation like local issues, local solutions and then local implementation. Follow Gandhiji's model which is Sarvodaya and our current PM model Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. Then it also safeguard our culture, customs and identity through PISA Act which is 1996, introduced in 1996. Do you know about it? If yes, then tell me in comment section. Our issues of Panchayati Raj system in India: lack of funding and poor implementation of schemes, corruption and interference of MPs and MLAs, lack of decentralization and other facilities like education, health, internet, and if you belong from a village, you know very well how many other problems are there. Then existence of caste system and patriarchy. For patriarchy, you may know about it, the system of Sarpanch Pati. Then delay in election and low women participation. Then our way forward would be: need to increase funding, work area through decentralization of powers and participation of women and locals. Then need to change patriarchal mindset to achieve gender equality which is Sustainable Development Goal 5. Proper implementation of and monitoring of schemes like Manrega, Adarsh Gram Yojana, DBT for their development and livelihood, PDS, Public Distribution System, and midday meal like in New Education Policy 2020 introduced breakfast in midday meal to achieve SDG 2 which is Zero Hunger, and NRLM. Do you know about it? It's National Rural Livelihood Mission, and PMAYG to achieve SDG 1. If you know about PMAYG, then comment section is available for you. You can easily go there and provide your information. No poverty And then Ayushman Bharat and other schemes which is related to health for achieve SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. Then need to follow the recommendations of second ARC and timely elections. Need to conduct timely elections and also set minimum qualification, like recently Haryana and Rajasthan introduced minimum qualification system for their elections, local elections. And after election provide them proper training for better utilizations of their skills and local area development. Need capacity building and spread awareness, and also develop a portal and provide every step, every information about their steps, their schemes, and any other thing which is happening in villages to ensure their accountability. Then our conclusion would be Panchayati Raj system is the main function who work on grassroots level with all these measures, and we can also develop source of income for Panchayati Raj system to ensure their development. As per the Gandhian principle, if we develop village, they contribute huge level in our economy and make us prosperous and also provide quality of goods. For example, GI tags. There are 365 GI tags in India, which is mainly from villages and rural areas. Answers of one line questions. According to WHO, 65.35% Indian population lives in rural area. Panchayati Raj system introduced by 73rd Amendment. Sustainable Development Goal 1 is no poverty and second is zero hunger. India have 365 GI tags, and new education policy added breakfast and midday meal. Full form of NRLM is National Rural Livelihood Mission. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.